Hey, in this video, I will show you how to put money in Trust Wallet, and I'll show you the best way to do it with the lowest amount of fees, because you can currently do that, but I'll show you a better way. If this video helped you out, actually from the start, like the video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you are new. You're really supporting the channel this way because I'm doing these videos for free, but I'm also getting paid by YouTube. And if you like the video, you help me get more views and more income. And I'm uploading over 10 of these videos every single day, so you're supporting the channel and my grind. Okay, so here is the situation. You can buy from Trust Wallet by just clicking on buy. For example, let's buy some Ethereum. And let's buy, one Ethereum, which would be like $2,300 right now. Click on next, and I'll show you how much fees you have to pay with them. They'll redirect you to MoonPay. Now it seems it's higher because they want you to sign up because it's a little bigger of a purchase. But if it's a $100 purchase, I think the fee should be $4 or so. No, $8 fee. It's $8. Do you understand that? $8 a fee. And also, the issue you have is that they're giving you, I think, a higher rate than what Ethereum actually is. You're paying a huge fee, over 10%, I think. So here's a better way. First, sign up for Binance in the link in the description down below. This is the first thing you can do. Binance have the lowest fees. Then go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and just type in Binance. And quickly download the Binance app on your iPhone device or your Android device. This will let you buy crypto with the lowest fees, and I'll show you what I mean by this. Let's click on open on the app, and it's very simple, especially if you use the light version. It's very simple to use, very beginner friendly. You just gotta open it up, select the crypto that you want to buy. You can buy directly from your card and it's way easier than all the other exchanges. So if we select Ethereum, as you can see, it's going up right now 7% today, which is great. By the way, this video is no financial advice. If you just click on Ethereum and then buy whatever amount worth, for example, just to compare the fees, if let's say we're buying 100 euros, so we got like an 8% fee on the other exchange. Guess how much of a fee will we get from this, from buying Ethereum? Actually, let's switch it to one Ethereum, right? So if we get one Ethereum, what kind of fees will we get with Binance? Can you guess? Let me know in the comment section down below if you don't know yet. The fee is literally 30 euro cents, literally, which is like less than half of a percent. It's 0.01%. It's nothing. There's no fee, literally no fee to buy from Binance. So I suggest you use Binance. That's my opinion. That's what I prefer to use. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you. Oh, and by the way, then you gotta transfer the money to your wallet. So buy on Binance, transfer to Trust Wallet, and buy all the weird coins there. See you next video. Comment section for any questions. Bye.